Hello, my name is Robert Lunte. I'm the founder and CEO for a company called CourseCREEK. CourseCREEK is a company that's been in business for 7 years. We're a boutique agency, and what we do every single day is we help small and medium-sized enterprises all the way up to large multi-million-dollar enterprises design, create, and implement their online courses and their learning and development needs for training and for courses. And I'm going to take a quick moment here to just tell you what I know about one of many LMS platforms that we work with every day. And I'll start by just saying that all these LMS platforms are brilliant. They all do something really special and really beautiful, but I want to take a little extra time to brag a little bit about LearnWorlds and tell you about LearnWorlds and why, in most cases, it's the best solution for most of the clients that we work with and have worked with over the last 7 years. And this is coming from somebody that runs a company that does this, that's evaluating platforms and is in front of all kinds of business models every single day. Again, for the last 7 years, I'm not just a content creator talking about it that doesn't actually do it. This is what I do for a living every single day and run a team that does this. So let's talk about LearnWorlds. The first thing I want to mention about LearnWorlds that makes it special and unique is that LearnWorlds offers a suite of features, which we're going to get into detail on, a suite of features that you might call enterprise features. They're features that you need and would expect to see in learning management system platforms that are originally tooled and designed for 5, 6-figure companies, like large multi-million-dollar companies. And when you're working with those kinds of platforms, and we do, oftentimes those platforms usually they are billing you, the course creator, the learning owner, licensing. So they're going to charge you licensing per seat. And that can add up. And frankly, it's more difficult to budget for, and it's a little more complicated to work with. But what makes LearnWorlds, one thing that makes LearnWorlds really nice is that it offers a fixed monthly fee. So at the time of this video, it's $299 a month or $249 a month if you pay for the annual. And if you take a look at my code down below, put in the special code, you'll be able to save an extra $150. But back to the point. You get enterprise features, very rich, that you typically only see in large, bigger, robust platforms for large companies that have large budgets for a fixed fee. That's unusual. It's unusual to get enterprise features for a fixed fee. All right. And that's one of the reasons why LearnWorlds is so interesting to most of our clients. Another thing that's great about LearnWorlds that is unique, it's not the only company that does this, but it's like 2 or 3 companies that do it this way. And that is that LearnWorlds is an all-in-one solution. Now, when I say all-in-one, what I mean by that is with LearnWorlds, you get the regular traditional website front end. We'll call it the front end, meaning the about page and the home page and sort of that brochure content that everybody lands on when they put in your primary domain for the first time. We'll call it a website, right? Just a regular website interface. We're going to call that the front end. And then the back end is really the learning management system. The back end is where it takes a transaction for the course. It creates memberships. It can sort out different kinds of packages for your courses. It can select different instructors, different levels of training, multi-tenancy, and of course, learners will go through the front end to engage the course that sits in the back end. All right. So to put it simply, front end, the design piece or the brochure, good old-fashioned website experience. Back end, the learning management system, the special mechani and technology that's working to run a course. Now, most learning management systems don't do that. Most learning management systems, especially those bigger ones that I was talking about, tend to only have the back end. So it's the learning management system only, and the plan typically is when you're working with those systems is that you come to the project with an existing WordPress website or something that's already taking care of your front end, and then you bolt them together. Okay? But with LearnWorlds, you can do it that way, but with LearnWorlds, you also have the unique option to do the website front end with the back end, bring it all together so that everything that you need is in one platform, one fixed price, and less headaches, less maintenance. That's a big deal. That makes, for a lot of clients, that's a deciding factor to go with LearnWorlds, and it's a super convenient. It's always better to work with one platform, one price, one maintenance piece instead of two or several that are Frankenstein together. In regards to those enterprise features, LearnWorlds is also SCORM compliant. Now that's fancy talk for Shareable Content Object Reference Model. SCORM just simply means that instructional designers, professionals that take existing content or source content, be it a book, existing courses, something you might be teaching live or what have you, existing source content, and turn it into highly engaging digital content for their learners. So the people that make that magic happen are called instructional designers. And in our agency at CourseCREEK, we have brilliant instructional designers with years of experience. But to the point, LearnWorlds is SCORM compliant, which means that specialized authoring tool software that instructional designers use to make the learner engagements pop, to make the learner engagements have cool factor and to be world class, to do all kinds of really neat things with AI and avatars and drag and drop interfaces, pull the curtain, gamification, videos, anything you can think about these days, which is about, you can do just about anything you want to do for the learners if you have good instructional designers. All that can be put into LearnWorlds because the software, which we call authoring tools, build their files in SCORM. So it's a little bit techy, but basically, because it's SCORM compliant, you will have the ability to put the best and most cutting edge and cool and effective engagements inside your course. Okay, not all platforms are SCORM compliant. And so if you're not SCORM compliant, then you're kind of stuck with just videos, copy a quiz, paginate next, videos, copy, quiz, paginate next, which is very 20 years ago. All right. So you want a platform that's SCORM compliant. LearnWorlds delivers that to you. Another thing that's really neat about LearnWorlds, and it's a relatively new feature they just released, is it's LTI compliant. LTI stands for Learning Tools Interoperability. That's fancy talk for it gives you the ability to bring in third-party learning tools. Just like those authoring tools that I was mentioning, it allows you to bring in more third-party, typically very cutting edge these days, very AI-enabled, adaptive learning technology into the LearnWorlds interface. So it's not an API, but it's a kind of integration that allows other companies that have cool stuff going on that you want to put your learners in front of, and allows LearnWorlds to pull it into the LearnWorlds user interface, user experience easily, without spending a lot of time and headaches creating a specialized custom API or any kind of challenges that go into doing integration work. So LTI opens up a whole industry of features and neat things that you can do inside your course. Not all platforms are LTI compatible. LearnWorlds is. Another thing that we run into quite often with LearnWorlds that is important, and you have to understand this and make sure that you've got this with your platform before you get started, at least some clients do, is it offers multi-tenancy capabilities. So if multi-tenancy, kind of think of about as a metaphor, a multi-tenant apartment complex. So you have one building with multi-tenants in it, okay? Multi-tenancy in a learning management system means you have one learning management system with multiple different clients in there, and each client furnishes his apartment or his working experience differently. So they're going to be custom branded, and client A might only want the first 10 modules. Client B might want the first 10 modules, then modules 30 through 40, for example. So you can customize the content that you're serving out to your different clients. And that becomes a sales opportunity, and an opportunity for you to do licensing with large companies that have that need. So multi-tenancy is typically a feature, again, for large enterprise companies, but inside LearnWorlds, you get that feature for a set price of $249 or $299 a month. It's a really great deal. In our agency, we put more clients, which is about 95 clients now in the last 7 years. We put more clients on LearnWorlds than any other platform. And the reason is because of these features and these benefits that I just mentioned for you, and others I don't have more time to go into. But if you're looking for a great platform, a platform that gives you everything that you need, and then things that you need that you don't know you need yet, things that you will find out that you need a year from now or into the future that you're going to grow into, it will be there for you. So you can grow into LearnWorlds, and it will always be the platform that will work for you. I don't know any client that's ever outgrown LearnWorlds. They only grow into LearnWorlds. It's beautiful. You can do a design. The efficiency of the all-in-one is also just good business, just a great business model. And yeah, I highly recommend LearnWorlds. I do. It's the platform we put more clients on than any other platform. It's going to give you the most features and most benefits, and for sure it's the best value. So I encourage you to go out and take a look at LearnWorlds. If you're interested, they do offer a 30-day trial. And if you click the happy link below, and you use the little code that I'm providing for you on this video and in the information below, you'll be able to save $150 on your after your trial. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any other questions about making a course or the platform, feel free to contact us at CourseCREEK.com, and we're here to take care of you. Thank you. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye. LearnWorlds is an enterprise level learning management system with all the things that any large organization bigger than yours would ever want or need. So that gives you a lot to grow into. Priced at an online course Kajabi type level. So usually this collection of features that sits on something like Docebo or Absorb or a lot of these other platforms that we also work on, you're going to be paying licensing fees. But yes. LearnWorlds has sort of like, it's like, $297 a month, and you get an enterprise level system that does 100% or 95% of everything you could ever need or want.
Okay.
It's brilliant. And we put more clients on this platform than any other platform. And they're all really great, right? They all have special stuff, but these guys really got it figured out.